These simulations are a perfect vehicle to help students learn how to convey technical information to non-technical people. This particular simulation is more like a couple movies that you might have seen, A Civil Action with John Travolta and Aaron Brockovich, where groundwater was polluted, and as engineers we have to kind of forensically figure out how that pollution made its way into the water supply.
Students are scientists hired by each of the companies, so they are representing one of the three companies alleged in the contamination. So they will do engineering calculations, they will prepare a report for CEO of the company they are representing, and in the end they will appear in trial to defend potentially their company. And I'm so grateful that George Wilker agreed to come. And I think that's what is motivating the students, and I see the difference in the way they're working in class.
By the preponderance of the evidence, can you conclude that one or all of these companies caused the pollution?
I think that having a real judge participating in this project it kind of legitimizes it. It raises the stakes a bit. Yeah, I would imagine that a lot of the students here are going to end up having to testify in courtroom trials to where there's technical content that needs to be conveyed, and so having a real judge ups the stakes.
I think it's pretty cool. I mean, I took some public speaking classes and I did a lot of public speaking in the summers. So I'm pretty comfortable relatively talking about it.
You know, I really like this exercise. I had an internship that did a lot of hydrology and topography over the summer, and it's really relating to classwork right now. I think it's a very cool exercise, and it shows a lot of real-world application of what we're doing.
They learn in a different way. Instead of reading it and just doing the calculations without making the connections with the real-life situation, here they are learning just by doing it.
The purpose, I think, of engineering is so we know the nitty-gritty number stuff, and we can put it so people can benefit from that. So if you can't put it in layman's terms, then you're going to have a really hard time convincing people that this is important.